Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I'm super excited about today's unboxing. As you can tell from the description of this video, it is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing video with something small, but something that I am going to enjoy. Funny story, I had my office windows open all morning just so that I could see when the delivery man pulled up to my house. And when he did, I ran down the steps screaming, my package, my package, my package. My girls looked at me like I was crazy. And when I told them what the item was, my daughter, she just looked at me like I had 5 faces and said, you made all that noise for that. But anywho, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video once again. But before we dive into it, I want to take the time to wish you all a happy new year. I hope that you had an amazing holiday season and that you are ready to accomplish your goals in 2022. If you've not already watched some of my kickoff planning content, goal setting content for 2022, I'll leave some of those videos linked in the description of this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube family. Going into this year, I plan to share more planning content with you, specifically around budget planning, time management, and new to my channel, some organization videos as well, as I strive to live a more organized life, not just a well-planned life. I'm super good at planning, super good at time management. I love strategy. I can plan for anything. But when it comes to organization, need a little bit of help in that area, specifically some more consistency. So this channel will help me to do just that. I also will sprinkle in a little bit of additional travel videos this year. Hopefully I can get back into travel planning and travel content here on my channel. And I'll sprinkle in just a little bit of luxury items because I do have a luxury wish list. So let's go ahead and get into this video since you've already hit subscribe. Here is the box. And I went ahead and took off the stickers and the tracking information. But this is the box that it came in. And it is in the Louis Vuitton box. I already opened it and took a peek inside, but I have not opened the item yet. Can you guess what it is? Leave me a comment. Think about my channel. Think about what I love. And think about what this could potentially be. So this is upside down, but this is my receipts information. I ordered this offline. I wanted to go into the store, but where I live, there isn't a Louis Vuitton close. I mean, it's relatively close. It would have been about a 2-hour drive, but I didn't want to go into the store. I didn't want to drive, take the trip, but I didn't want it to sell out either. So I went ahead and ordered it online. This is only my second time shopping at Louis Vuitton, so I'm not a seasoned pro or anything. I look forward to becoming one, but at the moment, I'm not. So this just has my information around exchanges. It does have my receipt on the inside. And then if I wanted to return it, it has the information for that. All right. So I love that. This must be the holiday packaging. Oh my goodness. Have you ordered Louis Vuitton for the holidays? So it's really beautifully packaged. Hopefully you've taken a guess as to what it is. I don't want to mess up the ribbon because it is just so beautiful. It has the care information in a little like gift tag. So it's awesome. I don't think I have to take the ribbon off to open this. All right, so I ordered the planner inserts or the agenda inserts for my Louis Vuitton agenda. They sold out on me last year, even though I purchased my agenda, I believe it was March or April. So they were already sold out of the inserts. But this year, I wanted to give them a try. So this is the item that I ordered. Yes, this is the item that had me running down the steps. I almost broke my neck. To get to the delivery guy because you do have to sign for your Louis Vuitton items, or at least I had to sign for this, and I wanted to make sure I made it down the steps in time because my delivery guy, I mean, I don't know what's up with his patience. But anywho, so these are the inserts, and I will show you once again my Louis Vuitton Agenda. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. So I keep it in this dust bag unless I'm like using it a lot. So it's just been in the dust bag. On the inside, I do have some inserts from the Clever Planner, as well as some dividers from an Etsy shop. But I will set up this planner with my new inserts very, very soon. And you already know I'll bring you along on this journey. I'm excited about keeping this planner in rotation because it's a great size for on the go, as is my journal. This is actually my product, the Pray, Plan, Prosper, Repeat Deluxe Notebook or Journal. So these two items will be my on-the-go note-taking and journaling collection because my notebook comes with its own pen and the pen loops that I can keep it secure. And similar to the Louis Vuitton Agenda, my notebooks come with the card slots as well as the slot in the back. So I will keep these as my on-the-go item, so I'm not having to carry around my bulky planner with me. Super excited about both items. Go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll set it up in an upcoming video. I will speak to you in the next one. Happy planning.